How to play Spotify song and YouTube song at the same time on the same device. Hi, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to play Spotify song and YouTube song same time. So right here on my Spotify, I just have to play a particular music of my choice and head straight to my YouTube channel, to my YouTube account. So right here on my YouTube, you just have to click on a particular video you want to play. So this video is playing already, as you can see. It's playing already. So let's check my Spotify if it's still playing. You can find, as you can see, my Spotify has been paused, the song has been paused, and my YouTube channel is still playing. So if I play my Spotify song again and head straight back to my YouTube channel, you see that my song has also been paused there. That means I cannot play the Spotify song and the YouTube song at the same time on the same device, unless I'm making use of two different devices. That is when I can hear the two different songs at the same time from these two different devices. Spotify and YouTube has not provided the feature for Spotify song to be played on the YouTube channel, or YouTube song to be played on Spotify account for now. So guys, that is it on how to play Spotify song on YouTube. If this video is helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.